In today's video, we will learn how to play Strawberry Fields by the Beatles. If you're more of a beginner, this song is going to feel like a huge challenge. But if you're more of a confident player or intermediate player, or you've hit a plateau and you feel like you don't know how to grow, this is the song for you. This is going to help you grow. We don't have any full bar chords, so if you're about to run away, you can still hang out here with us. This is Kit Kat, by the way. There are times when I'm recording that she just loves to jump on the lesson. There are other times she just goes to sleep. So here she is. So for this song, we're going to start on the chorus. Let me take you down, 'cause I'm going to. Now the beat fully drops when they say, 'cause I'm going to. And it starts right there on an F minor, which is a challenging chord. So let me teach you some tips to make that F minor ring. If you were trying to play F minor with your fingers, index and middle, look up, parallel to the fretboard or to the nut, that's not going to work. It's going to bleed into the next one. So what you need to do, look up, round the fingers, bring the whole hand up a little bit towards the tuners. Look, look, look. And then you can rest the actual ukulele headstock on the base of your index, look up, and find space for the index and middle first, and then the pinky. This is the most challenging chord shape in the song, so if that's like feeling really scary right now, it doesn't get scarier than this. We're actually starting at the top. So that's that F minor. It's such a cool sounding chord though, right? Cool sounding. If you're feeling like you don't reach, look up, drop the thumb some, because sometimes the thumb creeps up and it makes our fingers shorter. Look at how short my fingers would feel if I have the thumb up here. But if I drop the thumb, all of a sudden my fingers could reach even the back of the ukulele. So drop the thumb, add those fingers, and then try to play. The strumming pattern that I'm doing is down, 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 up, down. But I actually wouldn't start with the strumming pattern if I was just learning the song. I would just do down strum, and wait. Down, pause, pause. That's how I would learn a new song. By the way, little commercial. I have a uke shop where I sell ukuleles that I would recommend to my students. And this ukulele just came in the mail. And I'm playing it, one, because I love ukuleles, right? But two, to stretch the strings a little bit. So this is a tiny tenor. It has the room of a tenor, right? But the overall length of a concert. So it's called a tiny tenor. I'll link it down below if you're interested. Commercial break over. So let me play the verse for you, or the chorus, I mean, this section for you. I take you. And then I'll teach you when to do the chord switches. Let me take you down, 'cause I'm going to Strawberry Fields. Nothing is real, and nothing to get hung about. Strawberry fields forever. Okay, so let's talk about chord switches. We have the F minor, and you're gonna do that for a while until you switch the G7 for nothing is real. And nothing goes to the E flat, nothing to get, and back to the G7. Hung about. And then back to the E flat. Strawberry fields forever. What I'm doing there on the last little phrase of the chorus is I'm doing down strums for strawberry, again fields, fields for, and then on ever, just to make it more simple. Now, one little extra thing that you can add to this chorus is in the beginning of it, you can be playing a B flat if you like. You don't have to. I kind of like the sound of it. You might like the sound of it a cappella. So let's try it with the B flat. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, B flat. Let me take you down, 'cause I'm going to strawberry fields. G7, nothing is real, with nothing to get hung about. Strawberry fields forever. Now let's go to the chords for the verse. For the verse we have F, and then hold the middle finger on your G string and slide it to the 5th fret. Look up and angle it up a little bit, and that way you can fit your ring finger on the 5th fret of C string. So pretty, right? So you're gonna do F, F major 7, and then come back to an F, but add a ring finger on the 3rd fret of C string. That makes it an F7. That same exact shape you're holding right now, look up. If you drop it all down one string, you go to a G minor. Yeah! So go ahead and try those chord switches on your own, and then we'll do it together. Go ahead and try it. The singing note in this section is an open C string. Living, and it would sound like this. Living is easy with eyes closed, misunderstanding all you see. This song you could get away with just doing a lot of down strums because it is so beautifully on its own. You don't need to do much. And it has kind of a slower feel to it anyway. So let's try that together. Get ready, breathe. 1, 2, ready, go. Living is easy with eyes closed. G minor. Misunderstanding all you see. For the next section of the verse, you would still hang on to that E flat for 2 more down strums. It's getting, go to an F, hard to be, go to a B flat, someone, but it all works out. E flat, it doesn't matter much to me. Let's try the chords of the verse together. So the verse, it moves faster, but it shouldn't feel as scary as the chorus, or as challenging or taxing on the fingers as the chorus. So let's try it. It's just that first switch from the 1st and 2nd frets to the 5th fret back to the 1st, 2nd, 3rd frets. So let's try that. 1, 2, ready, go. Living is easy with eyes closed. G minor. Misunderstanding all you see. 3, 4, stay here. It's getting hard to be someone, but it all works out. It doesn't matter much to me. And here you will go back to a chorus. Let me take you down, 'cause I'm going to strawberry fields. Now that you've learned those sections, you have really everything that you need to play this song. So let's try to play an intro, a chorus, and a verse together. And if we get carried away, we might play a little bit more. Okay, get ready for that nice little slide from F to F major 7. Take a few relaxing breaths. Do you hear Kit Kat purring? I don't know if it's picking it up. She's purring so loudly. I think she likes this song. And I'm gonna play the 2nd fret of C string so that I get that singing note in my hand. Let me, 1, 2, oh, intro. 1, 2, intro, 1, 2, ready, slow, num, 1, 2, and 1, 2, 1, 2, and the 3, G minor, F, E flat. It's fair to slow down here. You can stay on the B flat or B a cappella. Let me take you down, 'cause I'm going F minor to strawberry fields, G7, nothing is real, E flat, nothing to get hung about, back to E flat, strawberry fields forever. You can pause a little bit here, go to your F calmly. Let's do a verse. 1, 2, breathe, go. Living is easy with eyes closed, G minor, misunderstanding all you see. Stay on the E flat for a bit. It's getting hard to be someone, but it all works out. E flat, it doesn't matter much to me. You can do another chorus here. Ready, go. Let me take you down, 'cause I'm going to strawberry fields. Now you have everything you need to play this song. I made a printable for my Patreon community. I'll link it down below so you can check it out. Throughout this video, I've been playing a tiny tenor mango ukulele from Pepe Romero's Romero Creations. It's available in my shop and it comes with a gig bag and a few other extras. It's a beautiful ukulele. Usually when I get tiny tenors, they go pretty fast and they're all one of a kind. So if you would like the kind of ukulele that is going to be just an heirloom, a family heirloom, it's beautiful. You're going to want to take it with you everywhere. It'll be linked down below. If you enjoyed this video, leave a comment down below. Let me know where you're watching from or what ukulele you're playing. Any engagement with the video helps it perform better here on YouTube, so that helps the channel out. And let me know which song you'd like to learn next. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao!